Okay, so I present to you Amiga AGA in ham. Not as bizarre as it seems. I've made a few changes, and now we have really nice scrolling happening. This is Amiga 500 ham. I'll pause the game. We'll show the Amiga. Here it is. That's it running in Caffeine OS. I'll just switch screens. Back in this screen here, just to show you what's going on. You can see that's the system. And now we're going to go back to the emulator, which is over here. Okay. So, and this emulator here is running in ham, and it's running really fast, surprisingly. Which means there's a lot more potential. That's all.